Every person has a wish to travel in space because this is the age of space travel. Traveling between the stars in space is not a mystery now. Man has always wanted to go to the other planets in space. Scientists have succeeded in stepping at the moon. Someday they will succeed in exploring many other planets. Some time ago only America and Russia had the honor to travel in space, but nowadays many countries are trying to explore space. That was a great event when Russia sent a satellite which rose to a height of 1000 kilometers and began circling around the earth. Yuri Gagarin was the first human being who went to space in a spaceship. He belonged to Russia. He remained in space for about 2 hours. These were the great events in space traveling. John Glenn was the first American who circled around the earth in a spaceship for about 5 hours. 20th July 1969 was the greatest day in the history of space travel. That was the day of great importance because 2 persons set foot on the surface of the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin were the 2 American space scientists who reached the moon. Apollo 2 was the spaceship of which they traveled towards the moon. They walked on the moon and collected some examples and some samples of stones and soil. They were on the moon for about 2.5 hours. These were the early achievements in the field of space travel. Now in these days, it is not a problem to travel in space. Scientists have made laboratories in space which are working with computerized systems. There is no need of human beings in these laboratories. The time is not far away when everyone will be able to travel in space, and going to the moon would be just as someone going from one country to another.